How to solve a 3 by 3.
Matrix equation. A 3x3 matrix equation can be solved using matrix algebra and Gaussian elimination. Gaussian elimination is a method for solving a matrix equation by using row operations to transform the matrix into an upper triangular matrix, and then back substituting to find the solution. This method can also be used for larger matrix equations. It is important to note that a 3x3 matrix equation will have 3 variables and 3 equations, so the solution will be a set of 3 values that make all 3 equations true.
Solution.
Solve a 3x3 matrix equation. The general steps are: write the matrix equation in the form of Ax equals b, where A is the coefficient matrix, x is the variable matrix, and b is the constant matrix. Use row operations to convert matrix A into an upper triangular matrix. This can be done by using operations such as swapping rows, multiplying rows by a scalar, and adding or subtracting rows from one another. Once matrix A is in upper triangular form, use back substitution to solve for the variables in matrix X. This is done by starting with the last equation and solving for the last variable, then using that value to solve for the next variable, and so on until all variables are solved for. Once all variables are solved for, substitute them back into the original equation to check if the solution is valid. Example. Let's consider a matrix equation Ax equals b, where A equals 2 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 1 3 minus 1. X equals x, y, z. B equals 5, 7, 0. First we will use Gaussian elimination to convert matrix A into upper triangular matrix. A equals 2 1 1, 0 minus 2 1, 0 0 0. Now we will use back substitution to solve for variables x, y, z. Z equals 0. Y equals 1. X equals 3. Finally we will substitute the value of variables into the original equation to check if the solution is valid. 2x plus y plus z equals 5 equals 2, 3, plus 1 plus 0 equals 5. 3x, y plus 2z equals 7 equals 3, 3, 1 plus 2, 0, equals 7. X plus 3y, z equals 0 equals 3 plus 3, 1, 0 equals 0. We can see that the solution is valid as all the equations are true.